Most of us treat our Google Calendar like a digital dumping ground for reminders and to-dos in addition to meetings. But if you're using it as a passive list of where you need to be, you're missing the power of a professional schedule. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Calendar and transform it from a reactive log into a proactive tool for deep work. Let's start with the basics. To keep your view clean, don't just put everything on your primary calendar. Click the plus sign next to other calendars and create separate layers for different areas of your life, like deep work, meetings, and personal admin. Next, use a consistent color coding system. For example, set all client-facing meetings to tomato and all internal deep work blocks to peacock. This gives you an immediate visual heat map of where your energy is going the moment you glance at the week. Finally, navigate to your settings and define your working hours. This prevents people from booking you for a 6 p.m. meeting when you should be wrapping up your day. It's a simple native way to protect your time. These native features are excellent for visual organization. They solve the "where do I go" problem, but here's the gap. Google Calendar is built for events, not execution. The friction point occurs when you have a 2-hour block for Project Alpha, but no list of the specific subtasks required to finish it. You end up staring at the block, wasting time deciding where to start. If a task doesn't get done, it stays buried in yesterday's calendar, and you have to manually move it. This is where GQueues comes in to fix that disconnect between your schedule and your to-do list. GQueues is the all-in-one task management tool for Google Workspace. Instead of just blocking time, GQueues allows you to sync your actual tasks directly onto your calendar grid. Notice how I can drag a specific task, complete with its notes and attachments, directly into a new time slot. It's no longer just a generic work block, it's a living task. When I check this task off in GQueues, it updates everywhere. If I don't finish it, I don't lose it in the past. I simply reschedule it. This turns your calendar into a dynamic workflow rather than a static record. By combining the visual layers of Google Calendar with the task management power of GQueues, you stop guessing what to work on next. This system takes a cluttered collection of random reminders and turns it into an organized time block schedule. It's the best way to organize your Google Calendar to actually get things done. Check the link in the description for a free trial and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.